Right, so putting these aside, I've got myself a University Unix media pad, just a cheap one. It's a $20 one, 12 sheets in it. I'm just going to use part of this for this particular artwork. So this one is refillable and also the nib is replaceable, so that's handy to know. Very bright. Okay, now that's primed up. Let's get this little sketch pencil sharpened up. Right, so I've got a bit of a sketch happening here. I drove past a hair salon the other day and there was a picture of a woman with her head up. Now I've used the pencil. I'm doing light sketches and then rubbing it out. And I'm finding it's not actually rubbing out all that well, so that's a bit of a disappointment. But anyway, I use my Tombow just to draw a bit of a border around. And now I'm going to go through and try some of these markers out, and finishing off the hair and the rest of the face. So let's see how this goes. Right, here we are thus far. Now if you have been watching my channel, you may have noticed that I've got a bit of a booklet and I'm using good stuff, Klimt's work, to inspire some of that work. Obviously not this one, that was a practice. And I'm going to use some of the pattern work that you see, good stuff on this one, along with the acrylic marker in the sun to bring in a lot of those elements too. So I'm going to continue on with using my line markers and also my Tombow. This is the Tombow as well, the black and grey, and come back and do the colours. So I'm going to stop there, and I must say this went on really well, very well. In fact, I was really impressed with this. Such bright colours, and yeah, surprised. The liners absolutely fantastic, Tombow fantastic, and yeah, managed to create a bit of art in the time vein too. Thanks for watching.